So here's what we want to do. Put something in front of the camera. I was just loading it up, looking at stuff, and deciding to do something. We're going to do some Twitch chat integration shortly. So let's take one of the spheres. How do we do this? So we have new sphere 2 there. We're going to break it, so let's just go to the next version. We are going to break it. So we better copy it up to the next version. There. Okay, and then new sphere 2, we're probably going to... Oh, where's that at? Class, new sphere 2 right there. Save it as 3. Go into here, update it to 3, compile it and run it. So I know that I have some stuff with the space trader as far as hexadecimal conversion for the colors and stuff like that. If not, I can get Bing to help me with it, but pretty sure I already have that. Okay, so it still works. That's good. Let's take one of the spheres. And because I'm going to follow this right here, put something in front of the camera, and then the next thing will be parse the color, display name, and message from the Twitch chat messages, then display them in the world in front of the camera for a short time. So it's just going to spawn in the world, and it'll stay in front of the camera wherever it goes, theoretically. Or we could just spawn it in the world and then put it, yeah, I don't know. Let's see, where is... So we're also going to need a new function here. Text render make char. So we have this already, which is probably fine. I think we can just do that, but let's look really quick at the space trader main or space trader right here. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Where are we at? So it might be in here. Main include. How come it's not finding anything? Computer, this is concerning. See, we have clean up, find show plan as render title screen loaded. Oh, maybe it's not in here. Extract username. I see, I should just... So I wonder if it's inside of player chat stats, or maybe I did that in JavaScript. I think it's in my I think it's in here, and I could probably... Computer, what are you doing? Scroll. It's a text file. Send message, parse message. Hex to RGB, RGB to hex. Okay. So I think we have to do it all from scratch then. That's fine. Okay. So not in there, not in there. Make char. So what we want to do... So let's run it real quick. Let's go into my chat. Oh hey, Fason, how you doing? So let's type something in chat. Okay, and I'm not kidding. Something. Okay, so this is what we see. Let's go like this. We'll go into Bing. Hello Bing, how are you? Let's go more precise. Okay, in C++, I am trying to parse the display name, color, and the message of Twitch chat messages. Here's a sample message. Note the only word in the message is something. Can you help with code for this? Given the message as a string. Alright, it's working on it. Using regex, that's cool. Okay. STD string Twitch message. Alright, let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. So what do we got? This is actual, I mean, I could just copy this to a... Hold on. I just want to try just this by itself. So we're going to go like this and paste it in. File save as. Okay. Just a second, I want to try this. We'll see what it does. And it's already got all that, so... Color, display name, message. Oh, okay, so that works. Let's look at the regex and stuff. Okay, oh, it prepares the color regex. Color equals display name equals... So the message, regex search Twitch message, match, color regex, and a match size is greater than 1. Regex search, I've never used that. It is used to determine if there's a match between a regular expression and some subsequence in the target sequence. Here's a brief explanation of its usage. Bidirectional iterator, first, last, STD match results bidirectional iterator at M, const basic, regex. Oh, I see, okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, so then the other thing is the, interesting. So you can create a regex, std regex, like that. Ah. Let's just have it explain the last one. Colon matches the literal character. Colon is used here to locate the start of the section of the string we're interested in. This is a capturing group that matches any number of characters that are not exclamation mark. The bracket, caret, exclamation mark, end bracket is a character class that matches any character except that, and the star is a quantifier that means 0 or more of the preceding element. Oh. So that will match and capture any number of characters until it hits an exclamation mark. This matches the literal character exclamation here separated between the section of the string. This matches any number of characters that are not that. As before, that is a character class. Interesting. Da, da, da. So in the context of your Twitch chat message, the regular expression will capture the display name, the part of the string between the first that and the exclamation mark, and the message, the part of the string after the final that. Ah, cool. Okay. Something. Alright, we got it. So that's interesting. So given the message, we can use this. So we can create a function out of this. We do need to include regex, it looks like. So let's take this, put it into our, oh, we don't have it in the, we do now. And then what else? Where did I go? Chat regex. So now, so we already have the message, so we just need the regex for the color, display name, and the message. That's cool. Okay. And then, so color is a string, display name is a string, message is a string. So we can return a structure of 3 strings. Interesting. Extract username. Okay, so here, so let's create, first of all, just kind of throw this code out here really quickly. And let's create a structure that will use that. And we'll call that message, I guess, MSG. Can we do that? Color, name, and message. I'll say Twitch message. For now, we'll just do one, so we'll just have one of those. So this will return a message. We're going to call it parse message. And it will take a string of the message to parse. And then at the end we'll return, so let's create a new message in here. Bam, 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 bam. So here what we want to do is parsed message dot color. Can we do that? Can we do that? Parsed message dot name equals display underscore name. We could just set it right equal to the... Actually, can't we just do that? Hold on. Let's do this a different way. Parsed message equals match dot string 1, like that. Parsed message. Oh. Dot color. Dot name equals match dot str1. Almost sneezed. I probably have a sneeze coming. And then return parsed message. I think, will that work? So right in here, if client has new message, we'll be getting the message. Receive messages here, right? And it goes through all this. It does this. I think it find the index of priv message. Check for username. Oh, we already have that, but now we're getting it a different way too. So extract username. Oh yeah, I forgot. So that doesn't use regex, but it gets the username. I don't think we need that anymore, but that's cool. So then all we want to do is go through this, print the message of the console, receive message, find the index of priv message, parse the message, extract username. So why did I do this? Log file? Oh, just for the log file. Okay. Check for username. Okay. So then, and we go through all this. So let's do this now. First of all, we don't need to do that. We don't need the extract username. All we want to do is go MSG. I think we're going to send the whole message, right? Or are we going to send what? Because what gets outputted here is message. Let's just try that. And then here we'll just do std cout received message dot. We want to output the color. Here we want to do the name and the message. Alright, why did I do that? Don't know. Okay. Let's see what that does. Is that going to break it? I don't know. And then theoretically that should work every single time we receive a message, which is what we want to do. First of all, does that compile? Compile. Oh, I was going to say. So there's some errors. What is the first error? Alright. Unknown override specifier. Okay, first one, string undeclared identifier. Oh. Oh, I see. Yeah, this. Okay, what's going on with this? Oh. Hey, not too bad. Okay. Whew. See if it works. See if it works. There we go. Okay, so let's try our... Here. So it tried with the whatever message, but that wasn't a proper message. Let's give it a... Oh. Okay. There we go. It works. That's cool. Okay, so now we want to convert this hexadecimal into OpenGL color. Okay. Let's just leave that up. We have Bing. Why is it on search? Okay. I wonder if that is enough of a description for it to help me with this. Okay. Oh, I'm stretching again. Hex to RGB, constant string hex float RGB. Oh, and it fills it in. Cool. Hex.substring, hex.size. What's going on? This code will output the RGB values as floats between 0 and 1 for the given hexadecimal color. Please note this is a simple example. We may not cover all edge cases. Okay, alright, whatever. Whatever. Okay. So what is this? Hex to RGB, string hex. Oh, just substring. Okay, S to I substring null pointer. S to I null pointer 16. Oh, you can do that? Oh, that's cool. Okay, alright, so we just need the hex. So let's take this, just uses IOStream and string, which we already have. Let's try that out. That looks really slick. If hex.size is 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2. Oh, I got you. Okay. So what we want to do when we get the color here, see parsed color. So actually what we want to get, hold on, I'm getting ahead of myself. But instead of this color right here, we want to return the 3 floats. Bum, 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 bum. So it'll just return the 3 floats there. Let's make them GL floats just because I like OpenGL floats, even though it's just a macro, whatever. Okay. So that's cool. So we can go ahead and do that. So instead of color in here, I mean, we could save the hex, but we don't need it. We just need the name and the message, and then we need a GLM vec3 color, like that. So this parsed message, okay, so the only difference is color here, equals match string 1. So let's come up with what it was before. std string, right? Color equals that. And then what we want to do is it's going to put, so it's just a function call, hex to RGB. So we want to call a hex to RGB. We're going to send in color. And then, okay, so then we're just going to use parsed message dot color dot R. And then we're going to do that for G and B. So then now that should be okay. So then when we get back to the thing here, yeah, see right. So then we want to print it's a float. Excuse me. Let's just get fancy because I want to. Alright, let's try that, see if it compiles. And did I do anything wrong? Oh, whoa. Alright. Zero, 0, 1. Okay. Shoot. I need another color. Can I change my chat appearance? I don't think I can. Can I change chat identity? Oh, here we go. Aha. Let's go with uh-oh, it didn't apply it. Do I have to go into that thing in here? Where do I go to? There we go. Okay, so it gives me the color. Cool. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. That's cool. So S2I substring null pointer. So what is this? Computer? Yeah, I know it's string to integer, but first argument. It's a pointer that S2I can use to store the position of the first character in the string out of the number in case we're passing over because we're not interested. The third argument represents the base number system to use for the conversion. Oh, I didn't know you could do that. I thought that, okay, was what it was. Dividing by 255 then gives a float in the range 0 to 1. Okay, perfect. That's so cool. Alright, that's cool. So now I can use this information to create the characters for the username using the color and the message as well. And then I can put that in the world. So one thing that we want to do when this happens okay, I'll be right back because this is cool. Feel free to type whatever. See, the camera here and where we're looking at is a thing, right? Like if somebody types something, I want it to appear maybe down there. Alright, that'll be next. Just a sec. Okay, so one of the things that we don't want to do... Anybody say anything? No, okay. One of the things that we don't want to do is this, because this will take up 256 of the new text. Okay, and then like that. So init VAO VBO is initially on the new text not going to do anything. I mean, it'll initialize it with 0. So the next thing we need to do is to, because we can add characters, then we need an update function, right? So once we do an update, we're not going to need that. We're just going to need to do this. Quad vertices and size of the chars. And then copy the quad vertices and copy the and then this. So we need to do these 4 functions in the update function. Okay. So void b text, update data. And then we need those 4 functions there. Then we need this to be declared up above here. So we can call this and change the letters. Another thing that we should do is less than 512, yeah. Another thing we should do is, yeah, eventually set up an index for that, but yeah, so make char. Okay, so we haven't made any characters yet. We're going to start with 0. Let's run it and make sure we didn't break anything. So we're not going to draw any characters anymore, like we did before. We're just going to initialize the text thing. Okay, so the wall is empty. All right. And now where do we want to draw these characters? I mean, I kind of want to just use the camera position. But that'll mean that I won't be able to see them as they're being made, but that's okay, I guess. So let's just try it and see what happens, and then we'll mess around with the location. So let's just type in the message. So let's go like this, for gluent I equals 0. Are we inside of a loop or anything? No, so we have I as a variable to use. I is less than received message dot length. Yeah, there we go. And then we just want to call choose a random location, new text, btext make char. We want to call that function. And we need a location, color, scale, all that fun stuff. Okay. Okay, so the location, let's go with let's just go with 1.0 plus I. Turn it into a float so we can add it. Okay. Oh, we have to find the Y. But let's just, yeah, go like this. Where's the Z? Does it matter? Do we care? Let's just go with 1.0. Okay. Okay, we also want to call that get interpolated height function. Temp with tx and tz. And then 3 plus I mod 3. No, that was for the thing. We're just going to go with the height. The extra height, we're just going to go with 6 for the whole thing. Okay, and then we got that. So then, and then the color. We're going to receive back the color. So, and it's a vec3. Okay, so we can actually just, because received message.color is actually a vec3. So that works. And then the scale, for now we want the scale to be pretty even so we can see. So let's just go 3 and 3. That might be too big. Let's go 2. And then 32 plus, and then this. Oh. Okay, 32 plus that. Okay. It's the ASCII value. So all we want to do is send stop responding. Computer, what are you doing? Wait, what? Now it's going so fast now? That was quick. Why is it going so fast? Python. In C++, you can use the std s2i function to convert a string to an integer. However, getting the ASCII values of each character is use a different approach. We'll use the ORD function, which is available in Python. What? Unfortunately, C++ doesn't have a built-in equivalent, but we can write a custom function to save the values of Python. By using typecasting, creating... Oh, that's what I thought. Oh wait, what's going on? How did I get here? You walked through the desert, bro. Hello. Oh, hi. Note to self, if you ask to get banned joking, you'll get banned. I gotta see this. Hold on. How's it going? This auto... Where is it? It's not in here? Oh, okay. Anyways, welcome to the stream, guys. So I thought it was typecasting. So I think I can actually just cast it to a... this is a float, right? But I want it to be... so in C++, say I have a string and I want to typecast the characters in that string one at a time to a float. Please help with code for this. Bum 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 bum. Ba-da-bum. I think it's got to be a float, right? Now it's going so fast. Why is it? Did it just speed up? What's going on? Yeah. I don't know what Gemini is, bro. I heard about it on the news, but I don't know what it is. Vector float values iterate through each character input string. If C equals dot, skip the decimal point, convert the character to a float, and add it to the vector. Char to float? What's char to float? Oh. Static cast float C minus. Assuming the character is a digit? I don't want to assume the character is a digit. Actually, that'll help because I can just put in the space in there and that'll work. Or we can just put in whatever. So it's this right here. That's all I need. Gemini is basically ChatGPT, but Google is the father. Oh, is it? So how could this is Copilot? Oh, this is Bing. Where's it at on Google? Gemini? I don't see Gemini. Excuse me. I don't see Gemini. Huh. Oh, gemini.google.com. Cool, thank you. What does it do, though? Supercharge chat with Gemini? How come I have to click to chat with Gemini? Try Gemini Advanced for business fact. Does this cost? Oh, okay. I was like, what? Opt in to receive it. What is going on here? I just want. Yeah, it's AI. It's not always going to get it right. I already know. Opt in to receive it. Okay, whatever. No. Say no. Hello. Oh, here we are. See the latest updates. Come up with a recipe. Oh, your conversations are processed by human reviewers to improve the technologies powering Gemini apps. Don't enter anything you wouldn't want reviewed or used. Oh, okay. That's fine. That's a given. Oh, cool. Alright, I'll have to try that out.
Sansi 30, it's not the best for accuracy or code. Count on it for creativity.
Alright, so where was I? So we're about to convert the ASCII to a float, and then put it right here. So this one, right, so what do I do? How do I do this now? Make char. Hold on, I'm just refreshing my memory here. So make char ASCII. And then, okay, I think this will work. I think it'll work. Let's try it. Where are we at? Where are we at? What are we doing? What's happening? I'm scared. Okay, I think we're fine now. So I don't actually need that function. Let me just throw it right here real quick. Because I just need it right here.
Sansi 30, confused.
Static
Sansi 30,
underscore cast. And I guess this is what I want, a float. And then we're just going to throw in C minus 0. So the char, or whatever. The char is received message.message sub I. And actually 32 minus... Is that what I had before? I don't remember. Well, let's just try that, right? Because that's the ASCII value. Or do I need to do 32 plus? Or let's just carry the 3 to multiply by... I don't know. I think that works. I think that works. Convert a character to a float. I think that'll work. And then that's going to put it... Let's just try it. Let's just try it. Make sure it'll compile and run and try it. It's going to be a little clanky. Don't worry. Okay, I don't know where it's going to draw the first one. It's going to be somewhere near... Where's the origin? I'm lost in my own creation. My own world. Okay. Alright, let's try it now. So there's that. Let's go down here. Okay. Did it do it? Oh, I didn't call the update function. I didn't call the update function. Hold on. Hold on. I didn't call the update function. So after we do this, and it loops through all those, we need to go new text dot btext update data. Okay. I'm scared now.
Sansi 30, also nice game. What does it do? Where's the lore? Please tell me there's lore loudly crying face.
That's what I'm working on the text right now. Oh, did it show up your text? Where's the text? Uh-oh. Anybody see text? I don't see text. I don't see it anywhere. I don't see it. Oh, wait. I see it over here. But it's all messed up. It's not the right color, and it's not... Okay. We got something, though. Okay. So, color... What color is your... Because you typed. Okay, what color is your thing there? Oh, what does it do? Nothing yet. I've got a space trader, and I'm working... This is like a little prototype to try out a bunch of new stuff to put into the space trader, but I'm thinking about just completely starting over with this and making the space trader with this. I don't know. It's all up in the air. It's all up in the air. So, color... Cool. Alright, so let's, okay, so the color didn't work, and then it did place place them on the thing, so that kind of worked. And then every time we receive a message, we don't want them all to be in the same place, so we could actually increase Z. So let's go like this at the beginning. Let's go, so let's not initialize TZ here. Let's put it there. And let's go TZ. So next time, the next message we'll just add like 3 for TZ. And it also didn't get the so it's wrong about the ASCII value. I think it's off by like 32. Hold on, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Ah, the white screen got me. Okay. Okay, so it's already got some letters there. Oh, the letters are kind of weird. Why does it have letters there already? The letters are just kind of... Yeah, and you can't really see them, but you can see like the outline where they should be. Okay. Alright. But it didn't process any in here. So where did those come from? Hold on.
Sansi 30. I have a perfect plan. Your character named Michael is stuck into a Twitch dimension and he needs to escape.
See, why does it already have letters in here? Here, let me go out for a second. See, there's no messages here. This is just the thing. Oh, maybe it's doing this. Because it does say here, here, here. So maybe each time, hold on. Yeah, so it's processing those first messages, which I don't want it to do, but that's okay. So total letters, here's 0, here's 0, 61, so it did this. And it didn't get the name or the anything. So I wonder why it did 61. Received a message. Alright, but let's see what happens if we type another message. That's pretty awesome. Oh wait, do not tell me the game takes message and puts them in. It does. It does. Total letters, still 61. So it didn't actually get the letters from there, did it? $68? Oh. So that went up 7. Oh, I see. Because I'm not doing it afterwards. So it did do this one. Okay, so where did it put my stuff? Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, so it's clearly off by something. Yeah. Insert Copilot asking want some help. No, I think it's just right here. So the thing is, when I call this right here, because the first, so we need to take this ASCII value and subtract 32. Because the first character in the texture is space. I think that'll do it. Also, why is the color so messed up? Oh, it's because when there is no color... Okay, hold on. Hold on. So when there is no color, what I want to do... received color. Let's go like this. If received message.color.r equals or is less than 0.1.
Doctors and gents cheated on the exam using ChatGPT.
B G. Then we'll just go received. Let's just go a nice bright blue.
Sansi 30. I wouldn't trust them.
There we go. So if it's too dark, In this case, we'll just get blue. Yeah, now it's actually doing that stuff. Twitch, TMI, Twitch, whatever. Okay, that's kind of weird. So, I think as you type, more characters will come towards the end here if you want to type something. We can watch it in real time.
I got an ad.
Oh, it didn't type the characters. Where did it put your message? Is it down? Oh, it's down here? Where did it put your message? You got an ad. I'm not making ad revenue. Oh, there. There it is. It's over here. In the most awkward spot. I got an ad. Why is it way over there? Okay. So we're getting it. We're getting it. We just yeah, it's true. Alright, so it's close. It's very close. We're close. Alright. I'll show you my space trader real quick. Since I have a captive audience, I might as well. Because it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's kind of like a cross between Starport GE, No Man's Sky, and Minecraft. Is it working? Did it work yet? So I do have the settings menu for all this stuff too. But we'll just go right in. This is the star at the center of the solar system. I haven't activated these yet. They're warps to other solar systems. And you fly around and you collect minerals and ice crystals. And then these are the instructions. And then this is your inventory and crafting menu. So I'm going to craft some water here. I got to make it so it's a little bit more visible, so stuff is visible. Let's go back. We need more ice. We need more ice, Captain. And then you come to these planets and you can land on the planet. There's a little animation for landing. And then you get these voxel worlds. And then I put in a jetpack here. Ah, boom. Let's go. How tall does this go? I use Perlin noise for the terrain generation, so it's like crazy. Oh.
Sansi 30. Wait, maybe it's Subnautica 2. Makes sense.
Subnautica 2, huh? Yeah, so I kind of have that. And then it's just going to be like space trading and stuff. Yeah. Fire away. So you can change the star from the prime number texture to just a regular color. And each of the planets has different terrain and stuff too. Oh yeah, we gotta craft the Stardust Magnet.
What's the mission? Why do you have to do what you're doing in the game?
I know we're collecting stuff. And eventually things will have a value. See, you got credits and stuff. And you would trade to get more credits to buy more things. I want to have little mini games like on the planets and stuff. And I want to have mini games so you could like take over somebody's base. You could have your own space station. See, this is my text from before. See over here? This is what I did with, this is why I'm doing what I'm doing with text right now. Because this is my text over here, which is really, I'll show you why it's really crappy and stuff.
Sansi 30. So the mission is clean the planet by collecting trash around the solar system.
Oh, that's a good idea too. I don't actually have all the mechanics worked out yet. I'm working on putting those in. See, this is the text here, which I didn't have a very good implementation of it. But yeah, and I can get close to this and collect it. It collects that tower. And now I have like oxygen. I have an oxygen. I don't have a graphic for that yet. I have new graphics. I haven't put them in yet because I haven't worked on this. I've got a mini map there. See, I got the mini map over here. It shows you where the planets are. The purple one's the star in the center. And then the blue ones, you're the red dot. And then the blue ones are the planets. And each planet has different terrain generation. I'm going to tweak the terrain generation too, because this is just really basic 2D generation. I want it to be a little bit more like the Minecraft worlds with 3D noise and stuff, which would be really cool because I can create caves and cliffs and all kind of stuff. Ah! Ooh! Oh! 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 Wait! Stop! Go back! Alright, anyways. Whew. So yeah, there's my beginning. It's my prototype. Yeah. It's my prototype of my game. Let's see.
Sansi 30. Do whatever you want, but do not, please, do not make the creature.
I know, right? It's true. Alright, so one of the things I wanted to do here, because I want the text to be oh, I see. We don't want to do it every time there's a thing. We want to do it right there. That's why. There we go. I think that'll be better. So now we won't have to go all over the planet or the terrain or whatever to look at the messages. So where's the first one? See that? So the messages will just appear like that. Okay, so now go ahead and type something, please. And it should appear right there.
Sansi 30.
There it is.
So the game is confusing. No lore. I can't even hear the character. Maybe it doesn't even exist. Maybe you're controlling the air. But hey, it's a prototype. So take those things with a lot of sugar. Sansi 30. Sugar.
Wait, let me go back. Oh, you can read it better from this angle. Sugar. Oh, we reached the limit. Okay, that's so cool.
Sansi 30.
Oh,
Okay. Orders.
or wait,
Writes the Bible.
it puts it in there. So maybe we didn't reach the limit?
Crossed over the low. Hello.
Hello. There's the message right there and the same color as the verse. Okay, cool. Okay, that's really cool. So let's put in Hey, Prosto Codilo. How are ya? How are ya? Okay, so that's really cool. I need to go into Bing again. Go up to the last one here. Okay.
Prosto Kilo, alive. So happy. Sansi 30, I notice it doesn't support the character asterisk.
Hold on, I'm going to let it finish responding here. I'll show you the graphic though. Happy coding. Happy coding. So the characters that it supports are right here.
Prosto Kilo, how you render text.
This is the texture right here.
Sansi 30, great.
Oh, and the space.
Will come. You'll absolutely be smeared. Smiley face.
I need to fix it though. Oh wait, is this the new one? Which one is it? I forget. Hold on. Now we'll do a little bit of fine tuning for this here. Alphabet new 48. So this one, edit. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, let's take out. I want to take this one out because we don't use it. Oh, that was handy computer. Okay, save that. So space will be space now. Let's space the characters further apart when the person types. So 1.0 plus I times 2. 2.0 should be good, I think. Okay, and let's do this inside here.
So funny thing, it's 1 a.m. and I've got school tomorrow, so I'll say this in the nicest way possible. I'll fly away and head to the bed so I can sleep peacefully.
Have a good night. Thanks for stopping in.
Happy coding.
Thanks for stopping in. Very fun to chat with you. Let's go. Total letters is less than 512. Okay, so else. Actually, let's just do this.
My blood is made of humor, so I appreciate you find me fun. Tomorrow you will scream.
Tomorrow I'll stream. I work Monday through Friday until 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So like normally like I would start streaming whenever I don't have the
Do you even try to make noise shader?
noise shader. Yeah, I use a noise texture for the terrain.
Like Perlin or simplex noise.
Yeah, there's a lot of there's a lot of examples for noise. If you want to go to Shader Toy, a lot of these people have created their own noise and put the functions available to the public. So if you need help finding or creating your own noise function, I recommend checking them out. That is how I got it. So let's do this total letters. And let's do mod 512. Will that do it? So if it goes over the limit, goes to 512, it's going to start again at 0. And then, yeah. And then it'll just keep going up. But really we could do that. We could just do that anyways. We don't have to be less than 0. Or less than to do it. We can just do that anyways, no matter what now. So it'll just recycle the letters, basically. And then,
is it possible to make shader animated?
yes, make charts. So also when I render, We're going to send in total letters.
Roscoe low, so it would be like random mowing spots like Rorschach or SMTH.
Hmm? Is it possible to make shaders animated? Yes, it is. So it would be like random mowing spots like... What? Random moving spots, you mean? Yeah, shader coding is just crazy. It's awesome. It's what got me hooked on OpenGL. Doubly.
Low, you said about noise texture, so it's just a pre-made texture that you just draw.
Actually, I had the computer generate it. I'm using a library called GLM, and GLM has a function called Perlin that generates Perlin noise based on your input. And I use that to create the noise data that I feed into a texture that I sample from when I draw the terrain. Excuse me. Let's see if this works.
Roscoe low, Rorschach.
What'd you say? Oh, Rorschach? Okay, it would also be good to put the person's name up there as well.
Roscoe low, too many letters for single.
Too many letters for single? Did you type that? What did you type? Let me see. What's that one? Oh. It only does the ASCII characters up to 128 and greater than 32. 32 to 128, that's it.
Roscoe low, and this phone will not support Cyrillic.
Let's see. Let's also make it so that whenever somebody new types or another message comes up, I also want the Y offset. TY equals that. Actually, this is the value. Let's call it Y offset. And then also each time through, we will increase the Y offset. Now let's just go 2, like that. Then we'll go if Y offset is greater than 12, then we'll set it back to 2. Does it start out at 2? What did I started at 6. Sorry. If it's greater than, let's go 16. Set it back to 6. And another thing that would be cool here, received a message length.
Roscoe low, I have issues in understanding of some shader possibilities.
So let's put the name and then the message. Then we'll go like this. We'll go if I is less than received message dot name dot length. Do that. Else do that. Put that there. Whoops, did I forget you? Sorry. Right there.
Frostokity low. Bip bop bip bip bop bop bip bop.
So that'll put the person's name in there too. So as we're going through this loop of length plus of name length and message length, it's going to do that and that and that and length. Let's see how that works. I can't believe I just did that. I can't believe I just did that. Alright, where'd we go? Where are we at? Okay, there we go. Now we should be able to see something, I guess. Is this... Let's go to this peak over here.
I hope I would sound more like robot.
There we go, see? And it's got your name on there. So let me do one. Programmer Jeff. Oh wait, how come it didn't type it? I hope I would sound more like a robot. Let me do one. What?
Frostokity low. Oh, you water moving.
Oh, I know, because it's going beyond the end of the thing. I'm an idiot. Hold on. So right here, we don't want to go with I right here.
Frostokity low. Is it noise shader or just an animated texture?
Oh, wait. CEIV80 MSG. Hold on. Name.length. We want to subtract name.length from the index that it gets to do the messages. There we go. Oh, do you mean the water? The water that I've got? Like the water here? That's just, it's using time as an animation, and it's a Voronoi. Voronoi. Alright, this is kind of cool. Let's see what we got.
Frostokity low. Yeah, that's what I need.
There, now it's better. Now that all the
Frostokity low. SMTH
like this, yeah. So how come the space is the little asterisk there? I wonder.
Frostokity low. Time as parameter and random movement.
Yeah, exactly.
Frostokity low. Is it hard to make?
I would say there's a little bit of a learning curve at first, but once you get it, there's a really great, I'll show you. So this one right here is a really good, see what it does with that. That's a really good one. The other one is, what's his name? He's only got like 2 videos. No. I can't remember his name.
Frostokity low. THX. I'll check it.
Yeah, he does. He really explains how to do shader code really well. And that and fooling around with Shader Toy. Although, I also have my own little thing. If you go to my itch page, I have the Shader Playground, which is free. I made it free. Oh wait, I thought I made it free. It's $5. But well, it's $5, but for now, I am going to make it free after I put it into the Space Trader. But it's right here, and you can actually work with the entire shader pipeline. So you can experiment and create with the vertex shader, the control, tessellation, evaluation shader, the geometry shader, and the fragment shaders. And if you want, you can just do the vertex shader or just the fragment shader like Shader Toy. But I made this for programmers, and yeah, it's really cool. I can show you. I have it. I have that on here. Let's see. Current build. Is this the shader playground? No. Where's the shader playground, Jeff? Right here. Here it is. So this is like the latest iteration of it. And see, like, if I wanted to put in time, all of a sudden, they're animated if they accept animation. This one doesn't, but these, yeah, do. And all you have to do is, if you want to look at a particular, let's see, where's it at? The fragment shader. So this is the fragment shader here. I can max the window so you can look at it. And you can edit the code in real time and then see the results in here. You can also look at the vertex shader. This one I think has the geometry shader, which creates a whole screen of them. So instead of just 1 point, this geometry shader takes in 1 point and it outputs 100 points, which is really cool. Because all we're doing is drawing 1 point, but the geometry shader is amplifying it to 100 points. And then you just organize those points, and it'll show them on screen. Like min the window. See, so there's normally just 1 point, but it's like 10 by 10. And anyways, so that's what I was working on. That's going to be a part of the Space Trader. I want the person to be able to do like Shader Toy, come up with your own function, and then you can put your own water. You can put your own terrain. Like this is like a Minecraft kind of a terrain thing that I made. And I've also got a little white effect here. See, I can take the whole thing and turn it black and white. Oh, how do I turn it back? I don't remember how to turn it back. Anyways. What was the key to turn it back? I gotta check now, hold on. Bum, 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 bum. So G, is there a G here? I don't see the G. I think that's in...
Does it require some C or Java or any specific library no lib?
Shader code, GLSL code is very similar to C and JavaScript. C and JavaScript, yeah. But like the Shader Toy there, you can just modify somebody's code like if I click browse, some of them are a little bit complicated, but oh, here it is, Kishimi. This is the one. This is the one. Kishimisu. If you go to YouTube and look at that, Kishimisu. Did I spell that right? Kishimisu.
I'm using Lua and it is different. I don't understand a lot of examples cause people be like, oh, just use standard function for this or that.
He's only got 2 videos on his YouTube, and he explains shader code really, really well. I really love that. It's like such a great video to watch. I'm using Lua and it's different. I don't understand a lot of examples because people will be like, oh, I just use standard function for this or that.
Similar, but non-shader part is what I don't understand.
The non-shader part? Oh. Yeah, OpenGL, I learned from learnopengl.com. Joey DeVries has a really great website for everything from drawing the window to some advanced stuff like the compute shader and all kind of stuff. So I highly recommend his website too. That's how I got started, and I've been hooked ever since. I have been hooked ever since. I bet you I can go back here. Is there a hill I can go on or something?
Cross opening low, and what I need is shader theory, not videos like just do this and it will works.
Shader theory. Oh. I've learned by experimentation, like the Voronoi.
And it works like for Unity only, and so useless. Cross opening low, THX for links.
Sure. Absolutely. Oh, I'm so excited. I got this to work. I like how it follows the terrain. See how it just kind of follows the terrain? It works. Okay, that's a good screenshot right there. Okay, so let's make a screenshot for this one. Let's go to my studio here.
Cross opening low, you know, when I was 25 I decided to learn how to skate. Cross opening low, on roller skates.
Oh, is that the thumbnail? We're keeping that one. When I was 25, I decided to learn how to skate on roller skates. When I was 25, we had roller skates. They don't have them anymore.
And there are a bunch of people near park.
Okay, where's this one?
Cross opening low, so I asked them how do this and that, and baby like just do like this and he/she made some jump or easily go backward or SMTH else.
Just do like this.
And I struggled with just turning without falling.
Oh, skates are crazy. I used to do skating when I was young. When I was young. Okay, so what happened to my music here? Oh, I didn't select loop. Okay, that's fine.
Cross opening low, so happens that all those guys were good skaters, but Noom can explain how they do it.
Yeah, same with skateboarding. I've never been able to do skateboarding. Even though it's been explained to me and shown to me and I've tried it. Yeah, I can't do it. See, what I want to do is maybe a racing game, like you going through here. Check it out. Blah, 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 blah. And I have a crappy computer too.
No understanding of hearing, hey just, can do it. Somehow. I don't know, I just put skates in.
It's true. It's all true. Oh, we're starting to use up the original. Perfect. So it's looping through the letters. It's looping through the letters now. But it's not doing any of these right. Yeah, it's got the wrong ASCII value for those symbols and stuff. I'll have to figure that out.
So, then I meet one girl. She was like ex-slide champion in country. And in 2 grade settings she explained me how to make trick that I can't do like a month or so. Roscoe Halo. The difference.
Interesting, yeah. See, so we're looping through the letters now. That's awesome. So with each successive message, they're just going to get... See how they're lined up here?
Roscoe Halo.
There we go. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to do a little bit of stretching. Okay, we got some orange juice. I got some orange juice to sip on, so let's see what we got here. Have a good stretch, thank you. Oh. You know what I think we should do? I think we should do some coding game now. If you want to join, I think Lua is one of the code things. It's a public one. I do private classes too. That's cool. Ray marching? Cool, dude. I'll have to watch that video too. Oh, nice. Ba-ba. How did I get here? That's funny. I usually wait the full amount of time to try to get a full lobby of 8 people. In this case, we're up to 5, so. Yeah, you can do Lua. I don't know Lua. Print answer. N equals number to read S. I guess I know a little bit of Lua now. You can just put a variable in there and it'll print it out. That's cool. N fruits lying in a row on a table. Each of the fruits either apple or orange. There's at least one apple and at least one orange. You and your brother want to divide the fruits. You will take a prefix of this row, several leftmost fruits, and your brother will take the rest. However, there are several restrictions. Each one for you should have at least one fruit for sure. The number of your apples should differ from the number of your brother's apples. The number of your oranges should differ from the number of your brother's oranges. A number k such that all the restrictions described in the statement are satisfied for the leftmost valid division. Oh, I gotcha. So you have to do it and then... Okay. Yeah, I don't want to do that. I'm so bad. Okay, I think I'm going to go for a walk. I got accomplished what I wanted to accomplish, which is pretty cool. Let's watch it again. Let's look at it again. Let's go in. Let's go in and look. So I would like it to ignore the first message, but I'll work on that. I'll work on fine-tuning that later. For now, let's watch it work. There we go. Cool. Yeah, this is a lot better than the text I had before. So now I can actually start to create like a space station and put statistics, for the different commodities, and really just get into some mechanics and actually make it like a fun thing to play. Alright, this is so cool. Anyways, have a good day. Nice to meet you, Prosto Kotlio, however you say your Twitch name there. And thanks everybody else for tuning in, and have a good night. I might be on later, but probably not because I got to get ready for work.